Thank you for the opportunity. We are InvestWise, bringing to you the scientific solution to investment needs. So, just introducing ourselves, we are SEBI registered investment advisors, providing asset management and customized wealth advisory services using the power of machine and our experience in the capital markets. So introducing my team, we are a team of three. Vasant has worked for over 15 years as investment analyst in equity capital markets. Gaurav and I were batchmates during our MBA at IIM Lucknow. Gaurav has an experience of over a decade in tech and has led products around AI and machine learning at Microsoft. I have worked as investment analyst in the capital markets, investment banking, and in asset management at Ambit and Abacus. I was in the team that co-created the Coffee Can investment strategy and co-authored the national bestseller book Coffee Can Investing. So moving to the problem that we are trying to address, as we mentioned that we are working to bring the next leap of innovation around asset management and wealth advisory. Equity asset management, when I say asset management, we mean equity asset management. So to say, the power of machines and data analytics has disrupted the traditional equity asset management industry in the West. A large part of what used to be done by a team of analysts and fund managers is now being done by machines within seconds, leaving only the absolutely qualitative factors, the subjective factors for humans to assess. This has led to tremendous increase in accuracy and cost reduction. Today, as we stand, more than 75% of all investments in public market in the US is through rule-based investing or passive products with low or no intervention of humans. This includes the active investment space in the US as well. And India has started in the journey as well. Now, the second part, the wealth advisory, the traditional wealth advisory services that has been provided only to the HNI segment in India because the low fee and the low cost structure make it unviable economically to provide the services to the retail or the sub HNI retail mass affluent segment. And that is why this large segment is heavily underpenetrated and underserved. The only place where they currently invest is in standalone asset management companies, which includes mutual funds and maybe PMS and AIFs for the customers in the higher up segment. Now, how we are targeting to address this is through two parts of the product. The first part is aimed at making the asset management equity product. So we all might have had experience in investing in the public equity markets. And the fact is that there are millions of investment strategies existing out there. But as individuals, each one of us, or even investment teams in large hedge funds, can work and analyze maybe just 1, 2, or 3 strategies at max. The human limitation makes it unviable to explore, understand, and analyze drivers of more than 2, 3. In fact, the entire strategy team of Ambit in 2017, when I was working over there, we took just more than 6 months to study just one investment strategy, the Coffee Can Invest the strategy. However, a machine doesn't have such limitations. Our machines, the product that we have created, analyzes and ranks more than 1 million investment strategies with much higher rigor than the method that we used in Ambit. Now, this asset management has basically 2 modules. The first is a strategy generator, which takes into input all the financials and daily share price data of the 6,000 listed companies in India. We have taken this data since 1991 for the past 30 years, roughly, which constitutes close to 25 million data points. This strategy generator generates all possible combination of investment strategies across the spectrum, and we have made it granular enough to be captured in 1 million strategies. So the strategy generator generates 1 million strategies of all possible combinations that it's not humanly possible to even think of. When I say think of, I mean the investment strategies are investment rules which govern how to invest in the market, essentially. The second part is the strategy analyzer. This takes the 1 million strategies created, goes back in time, analyzes them, invests in them at different points of time. Mind you, each of these investment strategies or investment rules create a separate set of. Now, the strategy analyzer goes back in time and studies the returns or the the drawdowns and the highs that would have created over the past 30 years had we followed these rules. And it generates return characteristics for each of these 1 million strategy. Now, how this 1 million analyzed strategy formed into a product is, we have categorized these 1 million strategies into 4 cohorts. These cohorts are essentially patterns of wealth creator in the equity stock markets. Right from the first product that we have launched is the consistent quality product, which is right from that to the turnaround wealth generator, the multi-baggers, and so on. So we have categorized into 4 cohorts, and each of these cohorts. And out of each of these cohorts, actually, one investment strategy, the best one out of 25 lakh strategies, the total is 1 million actually, so 2.5 lakhs actually. 2.5 lakh strategies, the best strategy out of those is chosen for each cohort. Moving on to product two. Product two is essentially tying the asset management with the wealth advisory. Wealth advisory, so asset management products is for anybody, any customer to come and choose basis their risk profile. The other wealth product that we have created analyzes risk profile, leading to unique risk score for each individual, providing asset allocation across equity products from the 4 products that we have created in the asset management division. The market size, we see that the serviceable available market, which is a total, we have estimated as a total wealth of top 10% adults, excluding HNIs. This is from several wealth reports, including Karvy and IFL Wealth, to be around 151 trillion rupees. Now, the serviceable obtainable market, assuming a 0.2% market share, is close to rupees 30,000 crores. This 30,000 crores is the asset under management, the AUM, so to say. In the West, in the US, we have seen these such players coming of age. The closest to our ideology and our style are Betterment, Wealthfront, and Titan. Launched in 10, 11, and 18, they have come of age. India is at the cusp of it.